Hi, hey folks, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you yet again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and we got another one that comes by way of Umai Crate. You can go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider to get yourself a fancy little discount, and that ain't too shabby. This one I've done before, but they keep calling it different things when they put them in Umai Crates, and so I just feel like I need to come out with it in a different way every time. Not only that, because it's really good. Itsuki Hakata Ramen. This has like a way longer name. That doesn't just say Itsuki Hakata Ramen. But it's good. This is like a real giving tonkatsu. And it's time to give it up for this one again. So, noodles cook for 1 freaking minute. Turn that heat down. Get a powder, liquid base, and a ton of straight noodle. So let's get that going and we'll get to our quote of the day from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle way back in 1958 and founded Nissan Foods. Grip. Get in there, get in there. Go, 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 go on, go on, go on, go on. There you go. Get in there, you're in the pot. Noodles in the pot. Turning it down, giving it a minute. And yeah, here's our book. This is quote number 164. The person making a proposal should be the one to assume responsibility. The fact that a decision was approved by the board of directors does not mean that responsibility for it can also be pushed on others. I don't know. If you did I don't know. I could see that having like a long discussion afterwards. But oh yeah, this stuff is like done already. Yeah. Really thin noodles, really they suck up the liquid, so. And it should be going beep. There we go. We want to talk about quick cooking instant noodles. Dude. 1 minute! Liquidify. Man, there goes my sun again. I really want the sun to stay out a little bit. That makes my photos come out so much nicer if there's good lighting. Got this one. People often complain about me not giving out reviews right as soon as I taste it. I've got a process. It's got to chew around in my head a while. But this one I've done before, so I can securely say, unless they've completely changed the recipe and ruined it, that this is a 5-star. I really like this one. A lot of noodly goodness. Look at that. Thick, rich. Oh, I can smell it. This is giving stuff. Yeah. Almost, when you look at it, it's like, dude, is that like noodles in a Thousand Island dressing broth? No, you would have to get that from Malaysia. Actually, there's what do they call it? Seribu Rasa, thousand flavors, because the Thousand Islands, that's Indonesia. Or the land of 10,000 islands. I think they call it both. But look at that noodle. Oh god. Oh my god. Look at that broth. Yeah, baby. Five stars, easy. Okay, so I right now, me myself personally, I like spicy tonkatsu, so I'm gonna dump a bunch of this chili oil in. A lot of people just like add it. A lot of times you just add it on top, but I want to put it in with everything because that may make a nice visual. I'm not sure. And then you just kind of like wait a second, and then you all of a sudden start seeing ping, 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 ping. The little beads of fat and grease start rising up with it. Yeah, perfect. So that makes me happy. All right, let's bring out Rotato. It's such a pain, ladies and gentlemen. I wish I could find a good way to do this. You guys comment a lot. Maybe there's an engineer among you that knows exactly like the perfect thing to do for getting something centered on a rotating tray. Alright. Well, there's that. What are we adding? Of course we're adding chashu. That would be tragic not to add some chashu. Egg. I like to make it go ding. Oh, baby. Whoa, 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 don't drip. No, don't do it. There you go. There we go. Oh, it's come out nice. God. Perfect eggs from my perfect wife. That's what I say. Sprouts. Wait, what? 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 There's one. Guess I need to take out more Naruto Maki. I didn't take out enough for everything today. It's my third of 5 shows I'm doing today. And I might do an unboxing as well with the chillins in a bit. Okay. The effect I was hoping for with that chili oil just did not come to happen, so we're going to add some shichimi. I would have added the shichimi anyway. Sesame seed. Yeah, I mean, this is how I would eat it, just like this. I mean, what more would you really need? This is pretty fantastic stuff. I wish there was just a better way to get this going. We'll try this. If we just like get way down. Like that. Itsuki Hakata Ramen. Good stuff. If you can find it, get it, try it. You'll love it if you like tonkatsu. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And tomorrow I'm going to do some more Panda Signature. Catch you later.